Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have the TV on in the background. So while mom's doing her puzzle watching a scary movie, I'm gonna be doing some plant chores and I'm gonna be putting some music behind it. This is gonna be a really chill video. So enjoy some music, enjoy checking out some of my more uncommon plants in my plant collection, and we'll talk to you in my next one. All right guys, let's go. like a lot of chores on camera, but it was. All right, guys, thanks for joining me in today's chill, short little video for plant chores. I hope you were able to do some plant chores with me, or maybe this was inspiration for you to do some now. So get up, go water your plants if you feel like it. If you don't, I'm not judging you. All right, guys, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.